WhatGear fans, Sony subscribers, today I'm unboxing a new set of cans from the one and only Sony, and it is this, the WH-H910n H.ear 3 wireless noise cancelling headphones. And let's be honest about this, Sony make maybe the best wireless noise cancelling headphones to date, the WH-H910n, and think of these as a little brother to those, but these bring something that they don't: color. Let's get into this. So the H.ear 3 are wireless and they do have noise cancelling. They support Google Assistant, Alexa, high-res audio, 35 hours battery life. That's more than the 1000XM3s, and of course they are Bluetooth. And if we look at the back as well, you'll see they have NFC, the Sense engine, LDAC support, and that's a big deal, and of course the SEE-HX, which is the upscaling software that Sony use to make music sound better. And then if you look here, touch controls. Anyway, let's get a look at these. So one thing you're going to want to do if you get a pair of these, or any Sony headphones really, is get this app, because it allows you to customize them so much. So here are the headphones, very lightweight in comparison to the 1000XM3s. They're incredibly lightweight, feel very premium, very flexible as well. Good amount of padding there on the headbands. The ear pads feel very soft, very plush. Really nice matted finish here. You can see the NFC logo there, Sony logo on the headband. Quite subtle, not too in your face like Beats headphones, let's say. And on this side, just a plain cut, and you can see where the mics are here for the noise cancelling. Then you've got the headphone jack, USB-C charging, and another mic there, and that's going to be for your voice calls. Anyway, let's see what else comes in the box. So we have like a canvas case for the headphones. This isn't going to be as protective as the ones that come with the 1000XM3s, kind of like a draw bag string here. Good thing about these headphones though is the way they compact down, much smaller than the Sony 1000XM3s. Then we've got the user guide and a USB-C, quite a short USB-C charging cable, and a blue cable, which is actually really nice. I actually really like this. Let's have a look at this thing. A blue headphone jack cable to match the headphones. I really like that. They've really got the theme right when it comes to the colors. And I'll be honest with you guys, I actually really wanted the red and black ones. I really liked the look of those ones, but they were sold out, so I had to get these ones. But these were my second choice. Very nice. And some of the H.ear 3 headphones actually have different patterns on the ear pads here as well, which I really like. If you have a look at the black ones, for example, there's like a kind of mesh pattern on the actual ear cups. So this is everything that comes in the box with the H.ear 3. First opinion on these are smaller, lighter, more colorful, but the build quality still feels very premium. Definitely more flexible than the 1000XM3s. And if you guys want to see a side-by-side comparison between these and the 1000XM3s, there's a thumbnail on screen right now for you to check out what I think about the difference between the two, the advantages of going for these and the advantages of going for the 1000XM3, and also a side-by-side audio comparison. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.